African elephant versus Asian elephant. Strength, size, and survival showdown. Welcome to Animal Kingdom Showdown. Today, we have a face-off between two of the largest land animals on Earth, the mighty African elephant and the majestic Asian elephant. These two species may both be elephants, but their differences go far beyond geography, from size and strength to intelligence and survival skills. We'll break down what sets these gentle giants apart. Let's get into it. Body, size, and physical appearance. First up, size. The African elephant holds the crown as the largest land animal on the planet. Males can weigh up to a staggering 12.000 pounds and stand up to 13 feet tall at the shoulder. In comparison, the Asian elephant is slightly smaller, with males weighing around 11.000 pounds and reaching heights of about 10 feet. Despite being smaller, Asian elephants still dominate the jungle and forests of Asia. Now, let's talk about appearances. African elephants have large, fan-shaped ears that help them regulate body temperature in the hot savannas. Their ears are so big that they can even resemble the shape of the African continent. On the other hand, Asian elephants have smaller, rounder ears. These elephants also have smoother skin and a more domed head, while African elephants tend to have a more concave shape. So, while both are massive, African elephants are bulkier and more robust in comparison to their Asian cousins. Strength and power. When it comes to strength, both species are incredibly powerful, but there are some key differences. African elephants are known for their raw strength. With their larger tusks, they are capable of tearing down trees and digging for water in dry riverbeds. Their tusks can grow up to 10 feet long and weigh over 100 pounds each. These tusks are not just for show, they're tools for survival. Asian elephants, while not having tusks as large, are incredibly strong in their own right. They are often used in logging operations due to their ability to carry heavy loads. Their strength lies in their ability to move through dense forests, where they use their trunks to manipulate objects with incredible precision. So, while African elephants may have the upper hand in sheer strength, Asian elephants show impressive dexterity and adaptability, intelligence, and behavior. Both African and Asian elephants are highly intelligent creatures, but their social behaviors differ slightly. African elephants live in large, tight-knit herds led by a matriarch, often traveling across vast savannas in search of food and water. They are known for their strong social bonds and communication skills, using a range of sounds, gestures, and even vibrations in the ground to stay connected with their herd. Asian elephants, on the other hand, tend to form smaller groups, often led by an older female. They are just as intelligent and emotionally complex as their African relatives, displaying empathy, problem-solving skills, and even using tools. Asian elephants are also known for their remarkable memory, which helps them navigate through forests and find water sources during dry seasons. So, while both species are brilliant, African elephants have a more socially structured lifestyle, while Asian elephants rely on their intelligence to navigate more challenging, dense environments. Habitat and adaptations. African elephants are found across sub-Saharan Africa, roaming the open savannas, deserts, and forests. Their larger size and bigger ears help them deal with the intense heat, and their ability to travel long distances is crucial in the search for food and water in the dry African plains. Asian elephants live in a much more diverse range of habitats, from grasslands to rainforests in Southeast Asia. Because of the dense forests they inhabit, their smaller ears and more flexible trunks help them maneuver through the jungle. Their bodies are perfectly adapted to life in more confined spaces, where agility is just as important as strength. Conservation and threats. Unfortunately, both species face significant threats. African elephants are often poached for their tusks, making them a target for illegal ivory trade. Habitat loss due to human expansion also puts their populations at risk. Similarly, Asian elephants face threats from deforestation and habitat destruction. They are often forced into close contact with human settlements, leading to conflict. Thankfully, conservation efforts are in place for both species, and organizations around the world are working tirelessly to protect these incredible animals from extinction. Conclusion. So, who comes out on top in this comparison? The African elephant's size, strength, and dominance in the savanna make it a true giant of the animal kingdom. Meanwhile, the Asian elephant's adaptability, intelligence, and dexterity allow it to thrive in some of the densest jungles on Earth. Each species is perfectly adapted to its environment, showcasing the remarkable diversity of the elephant family. Who do you think reigns supreme, the African elephant or the Asian elephant? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more epic animal showdowns, right here on Animal Kingdom Showdown.